Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be doing a kind of a demonstration of the stainless steel classic mini single hook unlocking tools for locksmith. Sells for the low price of $2.39 American. I actually ordered 3 sets of these, and we're going to open them up and see if we can kind of get a lock open and just get a kind of an impression of them. And so larger picture of this here, and it does come with 11 tools total. You got your Z tension bar over here and bottom of the keyway tension here, and those should be sufficient. You know, it's not as good as a top of the keyway tension bar from Peterson or Sparrows or something, but you know, in a pinch it's better than nothing, which is of course what this kit's for. And most of this looks like you could actually use it. You know, this one right here is probably useless, and I can't imagine ever using a dimple rake or ever needing it, at least, you know, where I'm at in America. Not something that you run into very often. And that here, I have actually used things like this before, actually doing automotive picking, but it's also something you probably won't use a whole lot. The hooks, though, don't look half bad. Looks like something that you could actually get some use out of. And so what we'll do then is I'm going to actually go ahead and go open the package, and we will see if we can get a lock open. So I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the package. I'm not opening it yet. Three of these, so my neighbor out there driving his motorcycle, and these really are small. That's the first impression of it. It doesn't come with any kind of case or anything. Alright, so looking at these, my first impression of this is how flimsy they feel. But, you know, I think this is one of those things, you know, it's better to have something than nothing. And the other thing I just noticed too is there is no tension tools in here, so alright, so I guess Banggood has F'd me. Yeah, no big deal, I guess. So as this kit stands right now, it's pretty useless to pick a lock since there's no tension tool, so I guess we'll use a tension tool that I have, and we'll see if we can pick a quick set. So there's bitting right here. I'll just try this one. So it says number 2 on it. And I wonder how many people get this and don't realize there's no tension tool and don't. I guess just poke around and never get a lock open. I'm actually not feeling too optimistic about this either. Yeah, I got it. Alright, so if you add your own tension tool, you can pick a lock with it. So, I guess for $2.39, I'm not going to complain if there's no tension tool in it. Just add one to it, and I guess rubber band them together or something and stick them in the seat of my motorcycle. Just, I said, you know, better to have a lockpick kit than not. And, so, I don't know. Probably a waste of money, really, in the end, but at least it works. So that'll do it for this video, and we will talk to everybody later. Hey everybody, now doing a quick addendum to the end of this video here. I jumped back on the website because all three of those sets didn't have any tension tools in it, so I just jumped back on, and very clearly it says, right here, 2 tension tools are supposed to be in the package. So I'm going to send this video to them as proof they weren't in there, since I opened it on video, and see if they want to send me the tension tools or replace the sets or something. So anyway, you guys like the video, thumbs up it. If you didn't like it, thumbs down it. But please subscribe. That matters now on YouTube, how many subscribers you have. So I'd appreciate that, and we will talk to everybody later.